I grew up in the church life and pursued the Lord, especially during college. But when I started working, I slowly drifted away to the world. I became content with just being regenerated. I thought, I'm already saved. I'll still be part of the New Jerusalem. I will live my life the way I wanted and just suffer the Lord's discipline for 1,000 years. But I thank the Lord for His mercy in bringing me to the church.